Right, Liliana, it's time for bed. Let's get up extra early tomorrow before our appointment with Mr. Zuzaa. Okay, that'll give me enough time to finish my new invention. And enough time for me to finish my presentation. Good night, Liliana. Good night, Olivia. Hee hee hee. What is that sound? Oh no, I'm late for school!
To be perfectly honest, I wish all parties were costume parties. Esme, you can't go to the party dressed as a pig. Oink, oink! What's wrong with pigs?
They're actually surprisingly clean animals.
Esme? Esme, are you okay?
I don't know.
That was weird.
Your turn.
I'm not sure.
Come on, we need to find a costume for you.
It's hard to see.
That was pretty good. Brilliant, Olivia. I think we've found your costume.
That me. I couldn't stop making those noises. I think there might be something wrong with the... Esme, no!
What?
Malice, what are you doing here?
Yes, it was me. This was a lot of fun. I think I may have to start a princess zoo.
Let's take you outside, Malice.
You're late, Esme. Sorry, I was fueling up on my grapes. Now we're ready to go. Watch me and then you'll have a go. Doesn't look too hard. You're supposed to break it, not eat it. What a waste of food. Just try again. Mwahahaha. Hey, why did you do that? Me? I thought it was you. Why would I make it disappear? I wanted to eat it. Never mind. Let's just try a new pose. This is the crane style. Stop that. I win. Please, just try the pose. Okay, sorry, Isabella. I'm doing it! Focus, Esme. Having trouble, princesses? Malice! I should have known you were behind all this. I just have one thing to ask. What is it? Can I join in? Perfection on a plate. I'm truly grateful for this meal. Freeze! ZPD, Zuzaa Police Department. Malice? That's Police Officer Malice to you. Police Officer Malice? We've had reports of bad grape jokes coming from here. Oh, that's a fineable offence. What? I'm going to have to take your grapes. It wasn't even a bad joke. I don't understand. Malice in the ZPD. Something doesn't add up. My grapes! I'm truly grateful for this meal. My joke! Malice, you're under arrest for stealing Esme's grapes. And my joke. You'll never be able to prove it. Oh yeah? Well, you just posted this video on Zoozagram. I love eating grapes. Ha! That doesn't prove anything. And I especially love eating grapes that I stole from Esme. Oops. Well, you'll never catch me. I really shouldn't have eaten all those grapes. Nor should I. Malice, you're under arrest. Oh wait! Silly me, I'm a witch! This wasn't here when I left this morning. Where did it come from? I don't know, but it looks very suspicious. Is it a present? Is today a special occasion? No, and there's no note or anything. Something's not right. Weird. Well, let's eat it. I really don't think that's a good idea, Esme. We have no idea where it came from. Yeah, but it's cake. And cakes are made for eating. What if somebody left it here by accident and wants it back? Or what if it's a trick by Malice? How are we going to find out? Let's look for some clues. Nothing over here. The cake is showing definite signs of being delicious. I'm going to look for some clues outside. You stay in here in case we miss anything. Okay. And Esme, don't eat the cake while I'm gone. Of course, I would never. Okay, Cakey, it's just you and me now. Not going to eat though, because I promised Olivia. I bet you're delicious, aren't you? You're chocolatey and tasty. Of course, you're a mystery cake, so you may taste disgusting, like raw onions or something. Maybe I should have a tiny little bit, just to make sure you do taste nice. Huh? Cakey, where did you go? Nope, no clues outside either. Esme, where's the cake gone? I have no idea, it just magically vanished. You ate it, didn't you? No, I swear, it literally just disappeared. And you even ate the cardboard square? I didn't eat anything.
Hey you two, it's a good thing you're here.
Liliana! Cakey!
I made this cake for you, Olivia, and left it here to mark our friend-iversary.
It's our friend-iversary, of course.
I wanted to make a healthy cake, but it tasted like raw onions. So I teleported it back to myself before anyone could eat it.
Told you I didn't eat it.
I just wanted it to be sweet and healthy.
Sweet and healthy? Wait here.